Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the trading levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the trading day 25th April 2022. So before I go for my analysis, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If anybody is using the content for trading, please take the help of investment professional. Those who are new to trading account and demat accounts, those who are yet to open accounts, I advise you to open the account with Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. So if you want to open the accounts, I have provided the link in the description box. So let me now come to the analysis straight away. First, I'll concentrate on the change in open interest positions. So I have already put it on the chart. As you can see here, so let me show you. Yeah, maximum call buildup is at around 17,000, and this is change. So maximum people have taken call positions in 17,000. So which means that 17,000 is going to be a strong resistance. Now the next call buildup is around 17,200. So if the market is taking off 17,000, the next level is 17,200. Hardly there is any put positions. So you can see the biggest put tower is at around 16,800. So on the lower side we have got the 16,800, on the higher side we have got the 17,000. So market will be trading in a range between 16,800 to 17,000. Now let me come to the open interest positions. Yeah, open interest. Okay, you can see the highest open interest on the call side is 17,200. So that is 17,200. On the put side, the maximum put build up is around 17,000. So market will range between 17,000 to 17,200. These positions were for Friday. But in the change in open interest, you have already seen market will range between 16,800 to 17,000. So these positions were on Friday, but today's change, the market is indicating that the range will be between 16,800 to 17,000. So now let me come to the most important FII data. Okay, so let me just put the FII data on the screen. Yes, so this is the data. FIIs were net sellers. So you can see FIIs net selling figure 2,461 odd crores. Then DIs were net buyers. DIs are supporting the LIC IPO, so they are buying. So you can see 1,600 odd crores of buying from the DIs. Now straight away let me go to the very important statistics on client wise derivative positions. So you can see I have marked yellow. So FIIs I have marked with yellow. FIIs have option index put long. So they have purchased more puts. So you can see this. Yeah. So FIIs are having more puts. And even on the index short, they are having more shorts than the long. It's an indication that the market may trend downwards. And retail clients, you can see retail clients are long on the index. The market is always against the retail, and retailers have purchased calls. So beware that there is a chance that the market may go lower. And even the professionals are professional traders, they are also long on the index. Okay, they have taken long, except the FIs are opposite of professional traders and the retail clients. Okay, so this is all important client wise derivative position. So now let me come to the important analysis, that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. Yes, so let me project it on the screen. So the Nifty, okay, so that is here. So first let me go to the Bank Nifty. Yeah, market opened lower today. Yes, big gap down. So you can see big gap down, big, very big gap down. So I will make it little slightly bigger, and see, very big gap down around this level. Okay, and the market immediately has recovered. Now Bank Nifty is trading exactly near the pivot, 36,176. What should be your view now? Since all the indicators from open interest, everything is indicating that the market is going to trend lower. Even FIIs have got short positions. So it's always a sell on rise market, sell on rise. Only DIs are supporting because the LIC IPO is on the way. So now what you should do, the important supports for the market. So let me erase that. So important support, so next support is 36,096. Next support is placed at around 35,622, 626. So on every rise, this is going to be a very strong resistance, 36,274. Yeah, the upper side of the pivot is around 36,200 levels, 210 levels. So always whenever it goes through that 36,200, better sell. Yeah, for a target of 35,000 to 626. So what I am telling you is around 36,200 sell for a day target of 35,600. So that is the Bank Nifty view. And then market will have very strong resistance around 36,200 odd levels. So you can see 36, very strong, very strong. Okay, so now all important Nifty chart. Yeah, so Nifty has opened lower below 17,000. Yeah, I said the range for the Nifty will be between 16,800 to 17,000. So now it is already above. You can see, yeah, it is above 17,026. So market may try. Now it is at a very important resistance, 17,047. So the next resistance will be 17,109. So maybe market may try to make another move upwards to 17,100, and 17,100 would be ideal time to short Nifty. Yeah, for a target of 16,880. So both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, better to sell on rise, and the pivot is at around 17,212. Okay, at that level there will be very high resistance. My view is sell around 17,100 for a target of 16,880. So this is the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share and support my channel. So those who are yet to open the accounts, I request you to open the account with the Upstock, a leading stock broker and a trustworthy broker, who is a very reliable broker with the lowest cost of broking. And also you can have free of cost demat trading and all-in-one accounts. So thank you for watching this episode. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like and share and support my channel. Thank you.